Everyone, we're now in our next video about percentage, and this time we're going to do the reverse of the previous video. In the previous video we have talked about or converted percent to decimal, but this time we're going to convert decimal going to percent this time. Okay, so the arrowhead points there. So to convert decimals to percent, we move the decimal point two places the opposite direction to the right, and then add the percent symbol. So this is actually the most accurately the reverse of what we have did in the previous video, because we have converted reversely. Now very simple enough. Let's convert this 0.35 to percent. Move the decimal point twice going to the right, so we have 1 2, and then add the percent symbol. So this gives us 35%. Yeah, very easy enough. 0.06, move the decimal point twice to the right, so 1 and 2. So what we have is 6%. We can drop the 0 here because it's not really significant, so we can drop it down. So we have 6%. 0.13, move the decimal point twice to the right, so we have 1 and 2. So we have 13%. And then for number 4, I have a number 4 here. Okay. 0.255. So move the decimal point twice going to the right. So we have 1 and 2. So what we have is 25.5%. 25.5%. Okay, so simple enough. Again, just a recap. Move the decimal point twice to the right and then add the percent symbol. So I think it's your time to shine after that and try to answer this exercises. Very simple. I think I'll give you a minute to do that. Okay, you can pause the video right now. Okay, I think you have the answers. So let's try. 4.3, convert this to percent. Move the decimal point twice to the right. So 1, 2. We need a placeholder here. So put a 0. So this is equal to 430%. Okay. 0.0099, move the decimal point twice to the right. So we have 1, 2. So we have here 0.99 or 0.99%. Okay, here 0.1052. So let's move the decimal point twice to the right. So we have 1, 2. So what we have is 10.52%. We have here 315. So since there's no decimal point anywhere here, so let's deduce that it's here. Let's assume that it's here, and we're still going to move twice to the right. So if we're going to do that, it's going to look like 1 and 2. But then we need to have some placeholders here, which are zeros. So 315 in percent is actually 31,500%, which is pretty big. Okay. For number 5, so let's move the decimal point from here going to the right. So we have 1, 2. So 20.21 in percent is 2021%, which is actually greeting you all for a happy new year. Okay, so 2021 is by the corner. It's 2021 soon. So advance happy new year, or happy new year to all of you there. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got a score of 4 or more. 5 will be great. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.